Welcome to the 1 Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit fresh Aqua preset in Lightroom. Here are some example photos of before and after using this preset. So let's start editing. First go to the basic. Bring temperature and tint to +5. And exposure to +0.40. Next bring contrast and highlights to -100. And shadows to +100. Whites -45. And blacks +40. Now go to the presence. And bring clarity to +40. +15 to vibrance. And done. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Hue +15. +45 to saturations. And luminance +25. Then go to the orange. Hue +25. Saturations -20. And luminance +50. Next go to the yellow. -30 to hue. Saturations +25. And +40 to luminance. Now go to the green. Hue -85. +40 to hue. Luminance +60. Now go to the aqua. +40 to hue. Saturations +25. And luminance to +35. Next go to the blue. Hue -45. Saturations to +80. And +20 to luminance. Now go to the purple. Hue +65. And saturations +60. And for magenta bring only hue to +25. And done. Next go to the details and make sharpening to +15. Luminance noise reduction 40. noise reductions to 10. Finally, bring details to 60. And now your preset is ready. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.